Hi, my name's Emma Luke. I'm an industrial designer and educator. I work as a wearables designer and I teach product design in the industrial design program at RMIT University. Over the years, I've worked on lots of exciting products such as watches, bags, footwear, and wearable health technology. Industrial design is a really diverse profession in which you gain the skills to work in a lot of different areas. The purpose of this video is to explore the fascinating world of product design and technology and learn about where a career in industrial design can take you. This video is for students who are considering studying product design technology at VCE and want to learn more about a career in industrial design. Okay, so let's jump in, learn a bit about the industry, and meet some industrial designers working in various areas of the profession and learn a bit about what it is that they do. Product designers are makers, sketchers, inventors, experimenters, idea generators, thinkers, and tinkerers. Product design and technology studies introduce students to design skills for use in global industry. These studies produce students with enterprise 21st century skills needed for the future. In VCE Product Design Technology studies, you focus on design thinking, creative problem solving, and understanding product design factors. Through this subject, you take on the role of the designer maker. Jobs in Industry 4.0 require both STEM skills, science, technology, engineering, and math, and a design innovation mindset to help solve the complex problems of tomorrow. Design is not just about products and services, it's also about a way of thinking. The process of design thinking is a powerful tool for radically reimagining the way we live, work, and coexist with the planet and ecosystem through social innovation and the creation of innovative products, materials, technologies, services, and systems. Design thinking is about seeing a problem, challenging preconceived ideas, and asking, what if? Industrial design is product design and technology's big brother. After VCE Product Design and Technology studies, many students go on to study industrial design at university and become industrial designers. This is a big discipline that shapes the world we live in. From automotive to medtech, wearable technology to new materials, social innovation to sustainable systems, industrial designers can affect change and create powerful solutions that improve both human and environmental health and well-being. In 2020-2021, 138,803 Victorians were employed as design workers in a variety of areas, including architecture, advertising, specialised design services, and computer systems design. What are the employment and career outcomes for industrial designers? Industrial design graduates work in a broad range of contexts and settings relevant to new enterprise development, design innovation, and the development of contemporary cities. They can find work in product design and manufacturing companies, design consultancies, design or product producing businesses, the film industry and entertainment, education, cultural and service sectors, research institutions, and cross-disciplinary designers work in emerging fields of design practice, whilst others start and run their own businesses. Industrial design is not just about designing products for manufacture. There are many new and emerging fields of practice for industrial designers. These include service design, experience design, social innovation, design for health and well-being, design for sustainability, and interaction design. We also get to utilise amazing new technologies to realise our design solutions. Industrial, furniture, product, and textiles designers often work in multidisciplinary design teams and harness traditional making skills along with emerging technologies, materials, and processes to invent, visualize, and prototype design solutions to complex problems in the form of new products and services. Working in collaborative design teams of creative, technical, engineering, and materials experts is a fun, diverse, and exciting way to solve complex problems and wicked design challenges.
Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm originally from São Paulo, Brazil, but I moved to Australia a few years ago. After a few tweaks to my academic journey, I ended up landing on my current degree, which is a double in Sustainable Systems Engineering and Industrial Design. And I'm currently on my very final semester of my honours project, which is really exciting. I'm currently working on a platform called More, and what it aims to do is bridge the gap between material innovation in textiles and market acceptance. I'm trying to create a blueprint for businesses, showing what it would look like to create a system that operates in a regenerative way. And I'm also connecting these businesses with alternative materials, artisan collectives, and social enterprises. I'd say my favorite part about this marriage between design and engineering is that it just gives me so many different tools to explore and to work with that essentially by the time I graduate and I'm out in the world, my options are virtually limitless. It both encourages me to have a really systemic view of a project or a design, doesn't matter, and a very, very keen eye for detail. It has given me all of the technical aspects that I need so that I can create a framework to work with and not feel constrained by, and I think that's really important. My advice for someone that's considering a career in industrial design would be to just trust the process and have fun with it, because you don't have to know what kind of designer you want to be right off the bat. It's such a broad field, and the course is really, really customizable in a way. It can really be tailored to whatever area of interest you want to explore. So if that's product design, if that's service design, furniture design, it doesn't matter. There's essentially room for everybody. I think it's a course that really, really encourages you to just shoot for the moon and see where it takes you.
Hi, my name's Tim Ottaway. I'm an industrial designer and an entrepreneur, and I graduated from RMIT Industrial Design at the end of 2019. And industrial design, I think, provides me a great platform to be able to have a greater impact on people's lives and be able to be a part of the supply chain, if you like, a couple of more links back up the chain and making products better to make people's lives better in the long term. I'm the founder and director of Project Flock, and it's a small business, it's a startup which exists to make cycling and active mobility as safe as possible for people well into the future. Funnily enough, Project Flock actually started as my university project, my honours project in my final year, and interestingly it just became something that I really wanted to work on past university. And when the pandemic hit at the start of 2020, I think that's made things really, really binary for me, and I leaned in as hard as I could into bringing Project Flock alive, and I still am at the moment. I love that industrial design and design in general can be highly effective. It can have a lot of impact on people's lives, but it can also be beautifully hidden. It can be really discreet, and a lot of the time I think really great, amazing design is almost invisible. So I think for me it's going to be one of those careers that I think that the possibilities are endless. And for example, what I'm doing with Project Flock, I say to a lot of people, I would happily work for the rest of my life trying to solve the really big issues we have with cycling safety, but en masse, the problems we have with mobility and making it safer, more inclusive, more accessible. I think that industrial design is getting more relevant in terms of finding a job, if that's what you want to do. But I think being able to have some agency, being able to have some impact as an individual in small communities to global communities. So I think that it's the sort of thing that get into it, see what you think of it, because there is really something for everybody. And I think if you want to be able to really build up your creative muscles, be incredibly creative, imaginative, but also have, as I said earlier, that really tangible outcome that can impact people's lives and impact the planet around us and nature around us.
Hi, my name is Madison Ryder. I'm a designer and a researcher based in Melbourne, and I'm also a recent graduate from industrial design at RMIT. I'm currently working at an eco-fashion label as a designer and sustainability manager, and also at RMIT as a researcher, where I'm involved in a number of projects aiming to reduce food waste within the home and also the supply chain. Putting work aside, I'm continuously developing a project that I started back in my honours year at university. This project is called Let's Eat, which is a series of hyper-compostable single-use plates that I crafted from food waste, specifically lettuce. I say that they're hyper-compostable because I designed the material to break down naturally after one use, making it truly single-use, unlike a lot of the other products that you see on the market at the moment. Throughout my years as a student, I tried a whole bunch of different classes. I tried ceramics, CAD, service design, furniture design, I even tried coding. So what I liked the most about industrial design was how encompassing it was of all the design types and the encouragement to really find your own niche. To those considering industrial design as a career, I would really encourage you to keep your mind open and try new things that you never thought that you would do. Because by taking this step out of your comfort zone, it's a really great way to explore what is on offer in an industrial design degree at RMIT.
So that's a snapshot of where product design and technology studies can take you. As you can see, industrial design is an amazing profession. From meditech to automotive, sustainability to wearables, it's fun, diverse, impactful and highly creative. If you're passionate about making the world we live in a better place, consider a career in industrial design. Thanks for watching.